what's good YouTube? So, baby, that's good. You can be my channel, understand? And today we are bigger than the banger. So, guys, the Kangana of vlog, guys. We are out here in Parklands. Tayok to save Ubet, one of our friends. I breakdown. So already Tanya, Dexter and Tanya wanga to grab and you understand. And then unfortunately, my tires the motor got as a feature, the motor Ubet. And then luckily, Panga coming in a T1, his brother could see a breakdown, Nan rip up on a Tanaka cheater. But I'm going, why not? Let's go there. So I'm here with Baba Kimaya, Baskaila, Dexter, and Ubet. You understand? Nana Skyla, you understand? Piece of it, yeah, vlog unoda kuritana madhezi akati one day. You understand? I mean, not disappear rini, but I don't think akati kure different from my vlogs. You understand? So I'm out here, looking at petrol, and Kim and Tanaka. Kenda jero Kim and Tanaka. Tanaka rukoko na DX na Tanya. Mota ibe data breakdown nuko. Tanaka rutamane mwana babysitter. And I'm out here. Karanzi ni murungu. Ngende kudire. Fio. Abandira fio mfeso wangu tawa kuona wewe mcheze. So ni save akuno ku understand. So yeah. Yeah, tip. Yeah. You can pay. No, I don't have. Thank you. So guys, I was saying na baadaye tutasema na tip a few nemfeso wangu tawa wacha boys say so the save. Yeah, takati ngarambe sana ngopo wakati Tanaka obata ndoda umvura murungu. Tengero mvura banzi okay gona mtepera. So I'm out here ndotsvaga mvura ya Tanaka understand. Let's hope and really cooperate mno. And then after that say we go home. Oyo saka babaska Tanaka ya mvura ya Astravat tina baska ila pana Rastaman. Oyo Rastaman nyam. So it's large. So guys, yeah, we out here. And to fara kutepa mvura, tutepera up. Kastoka na gargivi. Wena mota mangu ni charger. Tutepera kuba masina. Asa nesko kuno kwero. So guys, tutepera fati. Ari kwa kaspa, mas ngina mseru. So guys, takutepa. Mapeto songa vile. Yeah. Akomana wacho mbinga sekura wakurisana kutepa ano nemara komana kana boss Dexter wandindi kubhadhara boys mari amuna ndoidawo boys yekurisana kubhadhara mari yekurisana dai wandindi kubhadhara boys mari ndoidawo itotjura shamo apa pane kachipo era padaona pana daona era iwe iri kuno kachineketa 19 naiboronga yakachipa shamwari. Guys, mvura yekudhura boys. Yawanduza ndakupa mvura yangu yemuradiator iri munigirinu. Ndiani kwarumanya ndimaiskailera. Nditi1. Ira ndofunga pamwe ndimaiskai again. Wala Dexter. Mbinga. Binga seku. Nasema ndo remvura. Reshi. Kwa uspade yangu ndatakurere. Hanzi kamota kandoka kaitoti LG yava pa. Yeti kuzvashora nyake ngomana. Kaenda kusandika mota kunoona hirina. Kunoona lolo. Rasta family yako ende. Rasta. Hanzi Rasta family yako ende. Ma? Come Dexter. Zadaro. Me Dexter muri kubhebhu usiku noyo. Thank you mwangu. I like to perfume omwe. Me Dexter. Muri kubhebhu usiku noyo mimi.
Kwatativa tatobva kwakachena but azogara na Ubet.
Zadaro. Ubet Angels wanotsa mine green sky.
Yekuzara.
Wanotsa my sky kumba kuno girl.
Yekuzara.
Guys. Hanzi vakachibva kuno roma rounds. Oyo. Ichigwe mafuta. Anozo bleacher. Unozoona wa yellow mangwana.
Akamira nekamuchena pakavanda.
Unomuko wa yellow mangwana. So guys, tapowa chibhodhori nengomana. You understand? tapewa chibhodhi renkomana nonzi mbononwai. Chiripo panapa nemukomana. Beri rakaunozotora foto ausete yoyo. Beri renkomana rapa pera. Rescue team. So yeah guys, we out here. Taunoba pa TN. And yeah. Keep on watching, man. Musakanga no subscriber. Runo idze. I think I'm gonna make this vlog ureta madays akawanda. You understand? Me I don't want to drink and drive. Yo, lidze ngiri pana pari papo. You bet. Lidze riri kupa asida kudringa chi driver stereka. Lidze unaro ya, una lidze. Asikuoneka. Yeah. Oyo. Ndakuoneka. So guys, tazunguza nakomana oita. Champagne. Thank you. Oye, chamar. Olha aí, boa. Boa, mong. Basca eu agro passo. Basca mamanta essa ninguém nyere. Kochi wesh. Chikafu. Mike mama trazo ndo skandika chingwa zaya. Isso jere. Ndika chingwa cha wewe. Oh, baba wena na asila. Ichi kushana ne sushi guys. Ichi kushana ne lamb. Kushana ne pork. Sakachi. Kushana ne everything. Yeah. Muneyu. Manje pane mfesa ari kubuda kabuso. Lendo dwangu muri dzobbi. Aiwa achade zvemasushi. Oyo. Rasta family yako wapasa. Takwenda kubwezi. Family yako enda mane. Kota naka unozotora picture ndakabata bhodho rangu. Rawatora ba dixere. Funa kazima. Ayo foni yako kuti. So guys, tobade. Oyo. Oyo. Challenge. Let me show you my talent. Challenge you. Challenge. Tipo challenge. I want to take zero or something. Artist. Yo. Yo. Ona. Yo. Akaenda kanoputika ijiriza. Watotogezwa komana. Akomana mota dzawo dzizochema. Oyo takaenda What's good YouTube? So guys, tasvika manje. Tainonosiya tanaka. Ndatokangana ndikuvloga. Ndamomirira kuona muzukuru wangu. Madi baba. Ora Kimaya. Uncle Praise. Bululu. Uncle Praise. Bye. Ndokubata mdara ngeni boti dza. Sharp. Beautiful guys. Bye bye Kimaya. Bye. Yo, what's good YouTube? Morning guys. So yeah, it's another day, another dollar. Guys, ndakachona pa TikTok chitrendi. So guys, ndawaradza kusviba kuita mudeni mangu, understand? Today I found sweep my room and go in hustle nyana, understand? After ndatsvera muroom mangu, I think chachikabota ndichifanira kutsvaira futi muroom kuite bota rawo. Ndokuziya bota ramunofunga porridge or cereal. So guys, nemba mangu kusviba kwamakaita guys. Imagine, ndo zvakaitodzimba mangu mabhachuri here. Onai guys, kusviba kuita mba mangu. Onai. Tripod rinoiswa content rakuitwa henga. Bhedha wakaita scattered. Kunoku kune matisho kunodhota ari padenga peuyu. Washing basket rakatangotozara kuti hembe. Zvino chatozoda kuwacha kuti naimba kusviba kwamaita. Ndakapinda kuchinaya ndosvibisa mudeni. So guys, afana sweep the room nyana. Ndowaridza mubhedha, you understand? And ndoya futi bota zvakare. So guys, make sure you stay tuned. And ndakuwacha futi bhutsu dzangu. Bhutsu dzangu dzakasviba, you understand? Let me show you here. Wona kusviba kwaita bhutsu dzangu dzirimo mudenga umo, you understand? And dzida kuwachwa futi, you understand? And yeah, I think afana eat another penyana yebhutsu. Bhutsu dzimwe dzanadzo ndakagova, dzimwe nyaya dziri kupo. Ndakagova dzimwe bhutsu asina bhutsu dzakawanda. Ndasara mapesi mangani kuno. Let me check here. 1 pair yakasviba. 2 pair ndombonyanya kudzipfeka. 3 pair. 4p, 5p. Pane imwe vadenga pa. 5p, ne? And then 6p. Jordan 4. So I found another pair of shoes. You figure about birthday zangu. Birthday rangu, not birthday zangu. Yeah, I will show you. Canada chenga boots, I understand. So for now, let me sweep the room. Yes, guys, imagine guys kushiba kwa namba macho. Kana kusanyara. And yeah. Sweep me. Oh, can do it as a butter foot. So long. You understand? Butter first. Let's get it.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. So honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away.
So guys, I'm done sweeping my mom. Understand? And I think it's now looking better than before. Not perfect though. I think I'm gonna go and look for a headboard today, or I'm move out. I don't know, because I wanna do a setup with a cow blue lights kaka pakona ne desk in a chair. I wanna start doing my reaction videos. Understand? Ne mic the desk bounce. And yeah, this was just what I wanna imba, because I'm still looking for a room. This room is now becoming too small for me. And yeah, we're growing up, man. I was gonna battle a big understand. So yeah, I need a new bigger room. Then I need a new bigger portrait as well. So if you make portraits, DM me. Lalela Bodi, another day, another dollar. What's good? You chilling the boy brothers and that's what we do. I'm making a channel. I'm out here, I'm chilling, and yeah, now I'm on top of Signal U, Cape Town. And I wanna show you the whole field of Cape Town, River Amazing. And yeah, they see, you understand, when morning how beautiful Kappa is, you understand. So if it's the first time you please like, comment, subscribe, my YouTube channel for more, understand. Let's get it. So I'm going to try and see paradiving, reach my parachute here. Jump around, bro. You understand? Look at the views here. Look at the views, man. It feels like giving spark. Yeah, that's it. We out here, man. So guys, if you come to Cape Town, don't miss out this place. So beautiful. You can use this bus on seaside. I think it's 300 something rand. Moratsko Cape Town yesterday. You understand? Don't miss it out, man. So guys, it's another still that day, that dollar. Still another day, another dollar. Ndakaugoma kwagenda send flow kasarapera rakuzopera muno naroni nzara. Since Maxine Pepper ndozomuvira ndachikabaraja cereal, and yeah, I'm gonna buy some food. That's why you know me rather try to chicken chow mein. You know chicken chi? Let me check it. Chicken chow mein. You understand? And yeah, let me show you here. That's the meal outside. No chicken chow mein. I mean, no, not here. You understand? Since then it's Zara. I was hustling. I was in the city the whole day. Yeah. After that, I'm gonna go home and see what I can do. You understand? So do what I'm doing best. I'm gonna keep on doing what I'm doing best. My name is Chris Magara. I'll show you. Kana chikafu changu ya stage shift. So guys, chikafu cha zoya hapa nienda itadzunga. Anifunga ndakagona kudya zvimachizvo. Zvimakero dzena zvimapepers zvimachizvo. Ale yangu sina kutenga. Ndatenga bega zvindachera. Then ya ndikadrinka kachipa. Ndo masina ndatenga iwaya. So I bet guys, thank you for watching the vlog till the end. If you have enjoyed, please like, comment, share, subscribe my channel for more content. And I said, road to 6,000. I love you guys. Peace out.